The worst thing that can ever happen to anyone is a dry and persistent cough. Even though coughs plays a role in clearing irritants and infection from the body, it can take away how annoying it is. In this video, we're going to look at some home remedies that can help with that persistent cough. And before we proceed, I would love you to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and leave your comment in the comment section below. The first on our list is honey tea. According to some researchers who compared dark honey with the cough-suppressant medications, reported that honey provides the most significant relief from coughing. Although the benefits of honey over these cough-suppressant medications were small, parents rated honey most favorably. To use honey to treat cough, mix 2 teaspoons with warm water or an herbal tea. Drink this mixture once or twice a day. Next, ginger. How famous is ginger? Do you know ginger can be used to ease dry cough? One study suggests that some anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can relax membrane in the airways, which could reduce coughing. To make use of this remedy, brew up a soothing ginger tea by adding 20 to 40 grams of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow it to steep for a few minutes before drinking. If you like, you can add honey or lemon juice to improve the taste and further soothe the cough. Next on our list is warm water. Staying hydrated is super important for those with cough or cold. Research indicates that drinking water at room temperature can elevate cough, runny nose, and sneezing. However, people with additional symptoms of a cold or flu may benefit from hot water. The same study reports that hot water elevates even more symptoms, including sore throat, chills, and fatigue. Are you yet to think of any simple yet effective remedy? Let's take a look at our next on the list. Salt water gargle. This is known to be the simplest yet effective treatment for sore throat and wet cough. Salt water reduces phlegm and mucus in the back of the throat, which can lessen the need to cough. Stir half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water until it dissolves. Allow the solution to cool slightly before using it to gargle. Let the mixture sit in the back of the throat for a few moments before spitting it out. Gargle the salt water several times each day until the cough improves. Another enemy to cough is steam. This is another effective way to fight mucus or phlegm that stays in the back of the throat. To make use of this remedy, take a hot water shower or bath and allow the bathroom to be filled with the steam. Stay in the steam for a few minutes until the symptoms subside. Then, drink a glass of water afterward to cool down and prevent dehydration. Alternatively, make a steam bowl. To do this, fill a large bowl with hot water. Add herbs or essential oil such as rosemary, which may also relieve decongestion. Lean over the bowl and place a towel over your head. This traps the steam. Inhale the vapor for at least 5 minutes. If the steam feels very hot on your skin, please discontinue until your skin cools down. Do you know any home remedies for cough? Please let us know in the section box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video was very helpful to you. Don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who you think may be in need of it. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, bye.